there's a difference between a person explaining information and, finding new information. There's a difference between breaking down a story and breaking a story. Ang expectation kasi kapag ang content ay expose or investigative, people naturally expect something new. New documents, new evidence, new sources, new revelations. Parang ang expectation mo is may bago kang madidiscover. Na may revelation, may bagong info, or at least may bagong angle na mapapaisip ka kung bakit ngayon mo lang ito nalaman. Pero for some critics, ang sinasabi nila, parang nakita at narinig nila yung mga information na ito before. And that's where words like quote-unquote recycled reporting started coming up. Again, to be fair that doesn't automatically mean the content is useless. Kasi minsan, valuable din naman yung pag-compile ng info para mas maintindihan ng publiko. And that matters. Pero again, the question is, how is the content being presented? Commentary ba to? Research? Expose? Political explainer? Or something that presents itself closer to investigative journalism? Kasi, again, those are not the same thing.